Yes, hey, welcome back. Now let's solve the problem delete duplicate emails. So what is given is you are given one table called person, and person has a column called ID and another called email, and you are tasked with deleting the emails which are duplicated, and the condition is yeah, you have to keep the smallest ID. So that means that over here, if you see, you have John at the rate example, Bob at the rate example, John at the rate example. So what you do, you keep one John at the rate example, which is of ID 1, and then you delete 3. So you might think this is pretty trivial and I can do delete star from emails where ID is equal to something, but yeah, it won't work because this is actually a joining question if you see properly. So what you have to do, you have to delete from person table in such a way that you have to like first you are tasked with finding the duplicates itself. So like you can't use any count function or anything to get the IDs or something. So what you have to do, so you have to join the person table with itself, and then on the condition such that we will do the joining on email ID, because email is the condition which you want to check. And what you will do, you will check for the ID of the second table, like you will check for the email where the ID of the second table is smaller than the ID of the first table. So what you will do, to delete, so P2 from person P1, you want to join it with person P2, and you will not specify any joining condition, but you will just have a where condition, like you just have to join them. There is no specific condition on what you have to join, mainly because you only have one table. On what will you join? So what you have to do, where p1.email is equal to p2.email, and what you have to do, p1.id should be less than p2.id. So what you will do, so first you will check if the second ID which you got, like after joining the table, the second for that person P2, the second ID which you got, if it is smaller than the first ID, only then delete that record. Let us compile it. Just go through it once. Yeah, so as it runs. So what you are doing, you are deleting the person P2 from the person table joined with itself, where the p2.email should be equal to p1.email and the p1.id should be smaller than p2.id. So what this will do, you will delete the p2 value from the table which has and ensure that p2 is always bigger than p1, like the IDs. And yeah, that's all for it, and goodbye.